Sue build a house for his kitten? Uh-huh. One more floor. Amazing! Kitten can't wait to try it. Choose the color you like and shift it. Blue. Blue. Green. Pink. Orange. Now choose a pattern. You did a great job. Now decorate it the way you like. How cute! Wow! You are amazing. Kitten loves it.
Что будем делать? Я хочу хрюшку, поросенка. Давай.
Lulu! This cage is so dirty. Lulu, spray some cleaner. Wipe it. Add the missing piece.
Вот так. Хорошо.
Rub the holes.
Хорошо.
Can you polish it? Birdie adores it. Thank you. Color it. Rainbow.
Давай радугу.
Blue. Purple.
Все. Хорошо. Так.
Now decorate it the way you like.
Вот так.
Add some decorations inside.
Колокольчик.
The cage is gorgeous. Thank you very much.
Так, так. Давай котенку и собачку. И похоже на щенок. Давай.
Sue. Help Sue build a house for her puppy. Don't forget the roof. Can you screw them in? Polish it. Good job. Puppy is very excited. Choose the color you like and paint it. Purple. Pink. Yellow. Now paint the roof orange. Blue. Purple. Pink. Let's give it a pattern. Some finishing touches. Now decorate it the way you like.
Так. Бабочка. Боже, коровку. Или может лайк.
Awesome! Wow, you did a wonderful job. Thank you.
Хорошо. Так, так. Или может щенку и рыбки давай.
Boo needs help. Can you take out the fishes? Spray some cleaner. It's time to wipe it off. Uh-oh, we need to seal the cracks. Can you polish it? Great! Fish tank is squeaky clean. Which gravel do you like? Purple. Fishy will love this. to build a house for her hamster? First, mark the cut lines. Now, cut them out. Can you polish it? Good job! This looks great! Color it! Blue! Purple! Pink! Green! Let's give it a pattern. Now, decorate it the way you like. So pretty! How adorable! Add a toy for the little hamster. How cute! This looks fun! Hamster, fix it! You are the best!
Ура, все красивенько. Я хочу игрушки. Хорошо, игрушки. Рунчик, давай кручу. Давай.
Let's build a robot! Can you insert the light bulbs? Put on his head. Look at those arms. Don't forget the screws. Robot needs his legs. Glue them on. We need to add some batteries. You know what to do. Turn it on. Wow! Now let's add some color. Dress him up.
Давай.
What a funny bunny. What a cool robot. Good job.
Так, можно
Pick a toy.
Мишку, Дэдди и поросенку. Давай. Хорошо, ребята,
Lulu.
Хорошо.
Oh no, we need to fix this teddy bear. It looks terrible. First, wash it. Very good. Now let's use a hair dryer. Add the missing eye. Can you stitch it? It needs its arm.
Рука.
You know what to do.
Так. Так-то лучше.
Nice. Looks brand new. Color it red,
Красный. Я люблю красный.
blue,
Давай красный,
Red.
давай. Так. Такая.
Let's make a shirt for Baby Bear. It's dress-up time.
Так. Давай корону, принцесса любит. Или полицию. Давай, хорошо. Так.
Teddy Bear looks adorable. You are the best.
Так.
Pick a toy.
Кукла
Cute.
панда.
Would you like to make a doll? First, spray some water. Nice. Great. Now brush it. Take the scissors and cut it. Very good. Now let's use a hair dryer. Great. Now brush it. Now let's add some color. Pink. Blue. It's dress-up time. Lovely. Good job. You are the best. Pick a toy.
Давай котенку.
Zoo. Let's make a dinosaur toy. Tap on his teeth. Can you attach his head? Use some hot glue. Now the legs. Don't forget the screws. Looks great. Well, something's missing. Teeny tiny arms. Now let's add some color. Pink, blue, green, yellow, red, blue, yellow, green, blue, pink.
Хорошо, радуйся.
It's dress-up time. Let's have some fun. Like a real T-Rex. Wow! Pick a toy.
Машинка, Hot Wheels.
Let's make a toy car. Color it.
Красный.
Red.
Нет, зелененький.
Green.
Получится. Как Том.
Add some cool stickers. Looks amazing. Don't forget the wheels.
Вот это как.
Can you screw them in? You know what to do.
Красивый.
Here's the controller. 3, 2, 1, go! This car is the best. Woo!
Так. Я хочу еду в магазине рынку. Хорошо, ладно. Все такие.
Pick a toy.
Все, закончим его, я хочу. Все, давай-ка до встречи. Хорошо, да.
Who wants ice cream?
Мороженое с вафлей давай.
Pour waffle batter into the pan.
Так,
Turn it on. Add a stick to the... Which toppings would you like? Chocolate, strawberry, rainbow,
так,
yum, blueberry.
так. Молодец, тебе.
Don't forget some sprinkles. Oh yeah, sweet sugar heaven.
Вот так.
Everyone looks hungry. Was it tasty? What would you like to eat? Blue. Would you like some juice? Yeah. First, put ingredients like strawberry. Now, wash them. Can you cut off the stems? Slice it. You know what to do. Put everything into the juicer. Turn it on. Decorate your drink.
И вот это бамбуковый, хочется как панда. И лед.
Ooh, very nice. Drinks look amazing. Let's try them. Friends are very thirsty. Was it tasty? What would you like to eat? Blue. Who would like some hot dogs? Place sausage on the bun. Great! Now add some tomato.
Хорошо, давай. Так. Все, вот так теперь.
What about some sauce on top? Now grate some cheese. Pick your favorite fries.
Картошку. Давай.
French fries. Food is ready. Friends can't wait to try it.
Так.
Everyone looks hungry. Was it tasty? What would you like to eat?
Остался. Где остался?
Ooh. Who wants some pizza?
Давай.
Let's make a pizza. First, spread some tomato sauce. Add some yummy mozzarella cheese.
И сыром.
Put the tin in the oven. Smells good. Slice it. Which toppings would you like?
И помидор, колбаса.
Salami,
И
ham,
это
shrimp,
сосиски.
sausages, arugula.
Так.
Now grate some cheese. Food is ready. Friends can't wait to try it. Everyone looks hungry. Was it tasty?
Хорошо.
What would you like to eat? Who would like sushi? First, add some sushi rice. Add ingredients.
Может, авокадо? И огурец. Давай можно огурец. Давай вот это. Хорошо. Так.
Tap to roll the sushi. And slice it. Add some sushi eggs. Rainbow.
Давай, может,
Rainbow.
не будет оранжевый.
Orange.
Хорошо.
Food is ready. Friends can't wait to try it.
Давай покормим.
Everyone looks hungry. Let's make some delicious treats. Add some sugar. Add some corn syrup, please. Pour some water. Turn all the switches on. Click on it. You know what to do. Yummy, swirly candy. Nice. Now let's add some color. Rainbow. Decorate it the way you like. Mmm, strawberry. Lovely. Wow. Wow, it looks delicious. Good job. Welcome. Let's make some delicious treats. Turn all the switches on. Click on it. Press that button. Put it in the bowl, please. Yum, delicious. Add some cream, please. Sugary goodness. Chocolate. Amazing! You are the best. Welcome.
Парк.
Let's make some delicious treats. First, let's make some cocoa. Click on it. Add some sugar. Some milk, please. Press that button. Can you pour the chocolate? What kind of filling would you like? Strawberry. Rainbow. Decorate it the way you like. Sweet. You are my best little helper. Thank you. Welcome. you help them? Great! Pop the balloons. Can you match the colors? Blue, green, purple, pink. Start the carousel, please. This looks fun. Purple, green. Let's get some snacks. Insert the coin, please. What's that? Donut. Yummy. Match the numbers. 1, 2, 3. Now let's have some fun. Can you get a toy for him? Yay! Awesome! You are the best! Welcome. Here's your ticket. Can you help them? Great. Pop the balloons. Can you match the colors? Pink, green, purple, blue. Start the carousel, please. This is fun. Let's get some snacks. Insert the coin, please. What's that? Popcorn. Looks tasty. Let's learn numbers. 1, 2, 3. Let's go down the slide. 2, 3.
Молодец.
Can you get a toy for him? Yay! Cool! You did a great job.
Молодец, мы исправили. Я выиграла. Давай для принцессы котенку.
Welcome. Here's your ticket.
Давай.
Can you help them? Great. Pop the balloons. Can you match the colors? Blue, yellow, green, purple. Start the carousel, please. Let's have some fun. Let's get some snacks. Insert the coin, please. What's that? Cotton candy. Delicious. Match the numbers. 3, 2, 1. Woohoo! Can you get a toy for her? Yay! You were awesome!
Сейчас даем. Давай мороженое, давай, хорошо. Так, мороженое.
Cute and tiny. Who will you choose? Blue. I want ice cream. please. Good job. Now remove the slices. Now another one. Apply ice cream glaze. Purple. Pink. Yummy. Good job. Ice cream looks perfect. Who will you choose? You. I want ice cream. Open the box. That's a gorgeous cup for ice cream. Now, shake some ice cream balls. You know what to do. Let's do more. Chocolate topping. Get rid of the strawberry stems. Oh yeah, sweet sugary heaven. Yummy-licious. That was yummy. Thank you. Who will you choose? I want ice cream. Let's make an ice cream cone. We need some eggs. Add a little bit of sugar, please. And pour some milk. Mix everything together. Spread it into the pan. And turn it on. Waffles done. Yummy. Now let's add some ice cream. Banana. Apple. Chocolate topping. Put some cherries on top. Yummy-licious. Good job. Ice cream looks delicious. Who will you choose?